Hello everyone, before we get started, I just want to make a quick disclaimer. We are not financial advisors, and the information in this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult a professional before making any financial decisions. That being said, in this video, we're going to talk about how to build credit. Building credit is an essential step towards financial independence. A good credit score can help you get approved for loans, credit cards, and mortgages with favorable terms, which can save you money in the long run. Your credit score reflects your creditworthiness. The higher your score, the better your chances of getting approved for credit with favorable terms. Lenders use your credit score to determine your risk as a borrower, so it's important to establish a good credit history. One way to build credit is by making payments on time. Late payments can hurt your credit score and incur fees, so it's important to stay on top of due dates. Consider setting up automatic payments or reminders to help you stay organized. Payment history is the most critical factor in determining your credit score. A history of timely payments demonstrates to lenders that you are responsible and reliable. Another way to build credit is by using credit cards responsibly. If you're new to credit, consider getting a secured credit card, which requires a deposit but can help you establish a credit history. Use your card for small purchases and pay off the balance in full each month. But be careful not to overuse your credit card. It's important to keep your balance low relative to your credit limit, as high credit utilization can negatively impact your credit score. So, try to keep your balance below 30% of your credit limit. For example, if your limit is $1,000, aim to keep your balance below $300. Another way to build credit is by taking out a loan and making timely payments. This can help you demonstrate your ability to handle different types of credit, such as installment loans, personal loans, or auto loans. However, be sure to borrow only what you need and can afford to repay. Finally, make sure to check your credit report regularly for errors or fraudulent activity. You can get a free copy of your credit report from a credit bureaus once a year at no cost. Check your report for accuracy and dispute any errors you find. Keep in mind that building credit takes time, and it's important to be patient and persistent. By using credit responsibly and making payments on time, you can establish a good credit history and improve your credit score over time. And that's it for today's video on how to build credit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cha Ching Champs for more videos on personal finance and building wealth.